Downloadedcontent.com. Torrents. Lightning fast enlightenment.
Let's try and bring this all around. Sherri, by the way, have you straightened out your microphone?
Yeah, I'm here. I'm just listening.
Okay, because before we tried to call on you and couldn't get you.
Oh, yes. Well, it's happened a few times. And I'm sorry. I'm every time Daniel starts talking about something, it sends me into rabbit holes because I start researching some of the stuff or whatever it is. And all of a sudden I'm, doing the Sherri thing.
It's okay. Doing the Sherri. Well, I'm glad you're doing the Sherri thing because if you were doing the Mary thing, I'd be asking a lot of other questions.
Okay. Yeah.
Do I put you in a trance, Sherri?
God.
Do you like the sound and tone of my voice, the cadence and rhythm of my words?
Oh, I just can't tell you what it does to me, Daniel.
We just went from 3 days to 6, didn't we, Sherri? Oh, yeah.
Downloadedcontent.com. Torrents. Lightning fast enlightenment.